In order to make the Eid season a memorable one, the Ghana National Mosque, in collaboration with Eid-ul-Fitr Qatar Charity and Hudai, has put together an Eid fanfare for the second time. The fanfare, which took place at the National Mosque, brought together kids from different communities and backgrounds, which seeks to solidify the social cohesion in our communities. Umar Zok, the director of Eid-ul-Fitr, underscored the significance of the event.
The main objective of this event is to end the Ramadan with a celebration and invite Muslims across the country with our friends, non-Muslims friends as well, or from other religions as well, to come together and celebrate with us and learn our culture, type of food, type of games we play, and share culture and love and passion.
Cash prizes were also given to participants of Azan and Quran competitions, which were organized during the holy month of Ramadan.
For the Azan competition, we are giving the first winner 5,000 Ghana cedi, second winner 3,000, and the third winner 2,000 Ghana cedi. For the Quran, the highest winner, we are also giving him 2,000. The second 1,005, and the third 1,000 cedis. And everyone who participated will get a cash gift as well, averagely of 150 or 200 Ghana cedi. So we have a total number of approximate 450 participants in the Ramadan program.
The project director of Qatar Charity, Ismail Swalelari, also highlighted the aim the organization seeks to achieve through such partnerships.
After finishing the fast, it is obvious, or it is just good, that you are able to bring smiles on the face of all Muslims, particularly the children. Qatar Charity seeks to, seek the face of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to seek the countenance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by way of bringing happiness to all persons, especially the orphans, because we have a group of orphans whom do not have fathers or mothers to make them smile. By doing this, we are able to bring the chunk of orphans on board so that they can be happy. At least after having observed the fast for 30 days, at least they should have a solace whereby they can express their joy and happiness.
Some kids, as well as their parents, expressed their excitement about the event.
I did horse riding and bouncing castle, and then I enjoyed. My name is Yusuf Idris from Japan. It is fine and okay. Happy Eid Mubarak to all Muslims.
We have entertained our kids. We have enjoyed it. This Eid-ul-Fitr, we enjoyed it very well because of this program. We expect more of this to be happening. Eid Mubarak to everybody, my family, all Muslims around the globe.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.